Hey there. Today I wanted to do another small live trading for the German 40, and also give you a small update on my Hydrafunding account. I will do this right now. I will show you that I currently reached, it's about 70% of the profit target. I reached an interesting point where the maximum trailing drawdown got locked at 25k. Which is good, which means that I can start risking a little bit more. And basically my win rate is now at 93% because yesterday I didn't have a great trading day. I had 2 trades were in a loss and I got in a quite big drawdown here. But luckily with some scaling in the position, I turned out the day in profit, which is okay. And I will look today at the German 40. Try to do a 1-minute scalp. If we look at the 1-day time frame, we see we are still in an uptrend. Also on the 4-hour. On the 1-hour, we're starting to see a small shift, but I still believe that we are an uptrend, so I'll try to look for a long position. Once I find something, I will show it to you. I will forward the video, but my idea is for the price to come down to maybe this zone here, and then from here take along all the way up there again. Should be a small trade, but I will keep you updated and forward the video until something happens, and I will let you know when I enter. And the idea also I have is that in case we don't break down here and we just accumulate here, then I may take the long position already in the zone. But I'll wait to see what kind of reaction we will see here once we break the dynamic support. And as you can see, if we go back on the 15-minute time frame, we are currently in this triangle. So there should be a breakout. Hopefully breakout will be to the upside, so I can take this long, and that would support my idea with the price accumulating here to load up for the pump to this zone at 1400, 440. But let's see what's happening. Okay, and with this price action here, we're seeing this bullish candle and this one. I do believe already that we're not going to break down this zone, so I will already enter half of my position, and in case it gets down here I will scale in with the other half. Let me put it in on my MetaTrader on the phone. I will put probably the stop loss around here. I will take profit. I will do a 1 to 1.5, maybe a bit less, 1.3. Let's see. I'm going to calculate my position size. So I want to risk 50 euros on this trade and maybe another 150 when the price goes down to scale in. But I am already in the market at this current price with my stop loss placed here and the take profit up here. And I will forward the video so you guys can see what is going to happen. But hopefully the price breaks this dynamic resistance, and we will hit the take profit up here. Okay guys, just to let you know that I already put in the second position at around this price. I do believe that we're not going to break down all the way because we're already seeing some bullish price action there. So I'll put this one also to this take profit. Let's see how it goes. And I just wanted to show you guys an example also, like why you should not just rely on indicators. Because of course, if you would use the stochastic indicator or this one, I wouldn't. If you just rely on the indicator, you wouldn't enter when the stochastic is overbought and buy. So you're basically doing the exact opposite of what you're supposed to do with the indicator. But yeah, trading without indicators is actually sometimes even better because you just rely on pure price action. And as you can see, the price action is that we are seeing bullish candles, and we are staying above the EMAs. We're staying within the zone. So for me, this is an indication that we will go higher and possibly break out. And yeah, I don't look purely on indicators. Sometimes they can be confirming, but yeah, they don't always work. But yeah, let's see if it's gonna happen what I think it's gonna happen, and I will forward the video. And yeah, it's the same also with the dynamic resistances or supports. Yeah, sometimes they do work. Like if a candle breaks here, it works to take a short position. But sometimes it doesn't, because if the price action and the momentum is not confirming the breakout to the downside, then you should not take a short. But yeah, let's see if I'm right. Hopefully I am. So as you can see, if I take this away, it actually looks more like a bull flag right now. Like this, like that. Put different colors so you can see it better. A bull flag where we are accumulating within to load up to break to the upside, hopefully. And also want to show you what happens most of the times, or many times actually, when people see a bull flag like this. They wait for the breakout and then they get in with the breakout. If it breaks the downside and breaks out, they take the long, and if it breaks to the upside, they take the... Sorry, if it breaks the downside, they take the short. If it breaks to the upside, they take the long. Many times actually it breaks out first, for example, to the downside. All the people go short, and then all of a sudden, price breaks to the upside. So like the big institutions or banks or whatever, they grab all the liquidity down here to get a better entry point to get the long. So it's always good to do the exact opposite of what you expect the market to do actually. And yeah, also something I want to show you again, as I always do. If you check the sentiment, you can check that for any chart for Forex, crypto, or indices. 73% of the people are short in the market for the DAX or the German 40 at the moment. So yeah, I always try to do the opposite. If the sentiment is very short, I try to take longs, because yeah, the market is made for that, so retail traders lose their money. And if all the retail traders are short in the market, I try to go long, because that's what institutions would do as well. And as you can see, there's already a breakout to the upside. Hopefully it's not going to be a fake out, and we will also break this big dynamic support to hit our price target. Depending on how the price reacts, and depending on the price action and the momentum, I may take some profits on the way. Maybe I put my stop loss to break even, or I close my positions before. But yeah, that all depends on the price action. And of course, we're seeing now bearish price action coming in, because we are touching the support line, the resistance line, and of course a lot of people will go short now because they just trend by lines. So we're gonna see some price action here. Hopefully the bulls will take over. Said before, there is of course the possibility for the price to go up, fake out, the price actually goes down. Everybody thinks, okay, there was a fake out to the upside, now it's breaking down, so we should go short. Sometimes it even happens that it breaks out to the upside first, then to the downside, another fake out, and then all the way up. So it's always depending on price action and the overall picture of the market. And I also, as I just did, I always keep adjusting my lines. I don't stick with the same drawing that I drew in the beginning, because this could still be a bull flag, but in a different shape. Instead of a triangle, you just see the flag here. So yeah, I'm flexible and I go with the price action and see what's happening in the market. And also, if we take a look at the 5-minute time frame, as I just told you, the stochastic indicator is oversold. It's touching the dynamic resistance. So every retail trader that relies on indicators would be like, oh, I'm placing a short right here. Perfect. All the indicators say take a short. Here the squeeze momentum indicator says take a short here as well. We had the dynamic resistance, so perfect for a short. And I try to do the opposite. And we see a perfect accumulation here. As I said, like in the beginning, we did break the dynamic support here, but we're accumulating in the zone within this channel towards the upside, which means it's a good indication for me that price is just building up for another push, another leg to the upside. And if you see, like, for example, we could possible price target, because the legs sometimes tend to be very similar. We just take this leg, put it here. That would fit perfect the idea of going all the way to the zone that I marked here, which I don't want to risk because I want to be out of the market short. I just want to take part of the wave, which is why I would exit right before this high here. But it's a good possibility for the price to go all the way up here. But let's see. And I will forward the video, but I will be gone for another 15 minutes because a friend of mine is coming. I have to help him with something. But the video will still keep on going. I will do some screen recording, but in case something happens and I'm not talking, that's why I'm busy. But I will be back in 15 minutes. So see you in a little bit. Okay guys, just got back. My friend did not arrive yet, but I'm seeing the prices going towards our direction. So I am already putting everything on break even. I will show you on the MetaTrader. Okay, sorry. And I am taking 25% of each position, and the rest I will let run. And I will also put the trend line, I will extend it. So hopefully this should react now as a support. And if it does, and I see that I see price action, I will stay in the trade. And if I see the price is going through and getting weak and it's about to break, I may close my positions. But now my friend is really coming, so I have to go. I'm back in 5 minutes, so hopefully nothing happens and I don't miss out of anything. But at least we are now in a risk-free trade. I will close this and this. We took some profits, not much, but free money basically. So talk to you in a little bit. Okay guys, I will actually close all my positions now because of this candle and the price action here. Yeah, so I closed it at this point and this one around this point. That's okay. We made quite a big profit. I will show you here on my Hydrafunding. So we were here at 188, now we're at 261, and the last page 5, so those are the ones I just took. Those are the small profits I took on the way and the last profits. So hope you guys liked the video. Give a like up and subscribe, and I'll try to do another video in a couple of days or maybe next week. So hope you have a great week and talk to you. Bye bye.